Morning everyone!
Morning!
And here we go again. The Smith family are going to make some pancakes today. Nice and easy to do. You don't need many ingredients. And shall we go through what we need to do to make our pancakes today, girls?
Yes. So you need
Yep, go on.
1 cup of plain flour, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg and a little bit of butter.
And the butter's for the saucepan, isn't it? So
Yeah.
the pancake doesn't stick. What do we remember to do before
Wash
we do
our
it?
hands.
Wash our hands, put our aprons on, and we're all set to go. So, Georgina is going to pour the flour into her cup. We've got 2 cups the same size, so we've got equal amounts. There it goes in, and again, don't worry about the mess, everybody. You can clear the mess up afterwards. Don't worry if you spill a bit. Right to the top, Georgina, that's it, a bit more. Yeah, that'll do. Smooth it over, and you wash your hands at a time, and pour it into your bowl. So the flour goes into the bowl. When you go in, Georgina, off it goes, in it goes. Fantastic. Okay, Harriet is now going to pour some soya milk. We're using soy milk, but you can use normal milk, you can use oat milk, whatever milk you like, but it has to be the same size. So you can either use the same cup or you can use a different cup. We've used a different cup. But it's the same size. There it goes. And we pour it into our bowl of flour. In it goes.
Wow.
Fantastic. Okay, we're getting close now to the point where we're going to bake it. But first of all, how many eggs do we put in?
1.
1 egg.
So this is the egg we're going to put in.
There we are. And we're going to crack the egg on the side. And that's it. Oh, this is a strong egg, this one. In it goes. Fantastic. 1 egg into your bowl. Right, so we've got our flour, our milk and our egg all ready to go. And Harriet is now going to give it a big stir. Mixing it all together so it all goes smooth, no lumps. And just keep stirring. Time to cook our pancakes. So we've got 2 saucepans, 1 each for the girls, a knob of butter. So you put your knob of butter into the pan. There we go. And then we turn it on, girls. So can you turn your one on there and that one on there? Yeah, right up to the top, up to number 9 to heat it up. And the butter is going to melt in the saucepans, and then we can have the mix. Our mixture, and we're now going to pour our mixture into the pan. So Harriet, do you want to get a ladle of this? We use a soup ladle or just a normal ladle. In it goes. You can pour it in. That's probably enough, Harriet. Well done. Good. Georgina's going to do the same. There we go, it's going in. Oh my goodness, be a bit of mess, but we love a bit of mess. Okay, now we're going to swill it round, Georgina. Fantastic. Give it a good swirl round, lift the pan up. Oh, this is looking good. Put it back on the thing. We've got to watch now for it to go a certain colour, and then we can show you what to do next. Okay, this is the fun bit. So this has been cooking for a minute or 2, and as you can see, it's all slippy and slidey. So Harriet, are you going to have a go at tossing the pancake? Here we go. This is the fun bit. Where's it going to go?
I don't know.
3, 2, 1. Yes! Good catch. And you turned it over. There we go. Okay, everyone, I've made my own pancake now. The girls have made one. I'm going to make one now. Here we go. Where's it going to go? 3, 2, 1. Oh no, everyone. Where's the pancake gone? It's only gone on my head. Rubbish! Let's try again. Last time it landed on my head. This time, please, let's get it in. 3, 2, 1. Up it goes. Yay! Woo! Okay, so Harriet's pancake is ready. You can see it's got nice brown marks on it. It's nice and crispy. And Harriet's going to put it onto her plate. Oh my goodness me, fantastic. And Harriet, do you want to go through the toppings that you could put on?
So there's lemon and sugar, there's ham, there's cheese, there's fruit, there's like chocolatey syrup, squared cream, and you can crumble up some biscuits on it. It's really good.
Lottie, do you want some? Oh, baby. It's really nice.
Here's my pancake, everybody. I've gone for a savoury one. I've got some cheese and some vegetarian ham slices, corn slices. Gonna roll it up. Lottie's watching me, aren't you, Lottie, in case? Here we go. Delicious.